Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create ASP.NET Core Web API in Visual Studio 2022. So for this one, first here in Google search box, write there Visual Studio 2022. Then go on this side. Here you can see this version of the Visual Studio that's available. So let's use their community version. So this install. Thereafter, you need to click on this exe file. So let's click on this continue. So this here Visual Studio installer download and install. So two processes going on. So getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Thereafter you can get this Visual Studio 2022 for here to create the ASP.NET Core Web API in Visual Studio. So you need to select this option and thereafter click on this install button. So this is now starting the download and installing the package as well. This will take 2.68 GB or disk space size. That's come there. Let's click on this create a new project. So here all language selected. They're going to select here C#. And thereafter this is going to select their web. So you can see web. Then when you select this, here you can see ASP.NET Core or Web API that's come there. Here you can see this all details. So let's select this. Now click on next. Here you can give for web application. So let's this name that's fine. Thereafter let's click on this next. Here .NET that's taken and this here long-term support as standard. You can select anyone. Thereafter no need to change anything. Click on this create. So this is now creating the project. And now you can see this console that's come there, ASP.NET Core Web API. So let's close this. Thereafter closing this Copilot. Here you can see program CS that's come there. Here you can get the code, default code you can get. So with the help of this code, we can run this default project. Here you can see on this weather forecast. Here you can get this properties, and here on this C# you can get this code. After that, the next is this selected going to select their Firefox. So now you need to click on this or run. So this is now running this project. So now you can see this here Swagger web application. This is the project name and localhost Swagger that's come there. Weather forecast. Here you can get this and here or this default code. This you can see application. Here this is schema. You can get there and this here example values. This is the code is there. So this weather forecast. So this the default code is there. Okay. So according to given code, this is displaying the output.